So this is the VIP ABC 2-fork position brow pen, and this is, it says apply light stroke to water evenly. Got in color 001 coffee brown. Yeah, see that? Okay, so I'm gonna be testing this out. I'm not too sure of my color, so I hope this is the right shade for me. Oh, that looks amazing. Looks really cute. Yeah, I like it. I love it. So this is what the Bristol looks like. And because I don't have that much hair on my brows, and I always like that hair stroke like brows. So let's give it a try. Okay. Ooh. Talk about having fake hair. Well, fake brows. Okay. The thing that I'll say is you have to just press on it slightly harder then. Okay. Oh, look how natural that looks. Right, guys. Let's give ourselves front strokes. Guys, look at this. Okay. I think this might be my new brow routine, because it looks so natural. It's giving it that stroke like, which is always what I've slightly always wanted sometimes, like most times. Like, guys, look. I'm gonna obviously use concealer to brush that out. So I'm gonna brush that out with my brush so it just blends in seamlessly with my actual brows itself. Right. Well, that looks cute. Let's try the other side, my other brows. So I've got a bit of hair here, so I'm just gonna light stroke. Oh. Nice. Oh my gosh. Guys, are you seeing how that looks like my actual brows? Okay. I think I'm on a new brow routine. So you have to be really light with it. You don't want to... So I'm giving my brows the upward motion. Right. That's really cute. Okay. Okay, I know I look crazy now, but once I use my concealer to clean it up, you're gonna see how nice that looks. So watch out for the space. So guys, this is the finished look of my brows using the VIP ABC brow pencil. So guys, if you're like me, that you've got little to no brow hair and you're looking for that brow stroke like look like this one, so you don't want that dark pencil straight line and you don't know how to use it with your pencil, trust me, this VIP ABC brow pen is your best friend. It's literally what it says. It gives you 2 painting in one stroke. It's natural, so you can see how natural looking it is. It's very easy to use. It doesn't smudge as well, guys, and very easy to control. So if you're looking for something to give you that natural brow look, like you've got something there even though you haven't, shh, nobody's gonna know, they're not gonna know, then this VIP ABC brow pen is your best friend. Go get it, guys. The link is down below. Buy yours now.